What's the best and worst Pinot Noir under $25? Find out now. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we're talking about the best Pinot Noirs, $25 and under. A couple of the women in my office asked me what my favorite $25 under Pinot Noir was. And I was like, geez, I don't really have a good answer to that. And they were like, I feel like that's something you should have in your back pocket. And they're right. They're right. That's embarrassing. So what I decided to do is go back into my memory banks, into my notes, see where I had some positive and negative experiences with Pinot Noir at the $25 and under price point, so that I would give you guys, some information that you can use as an input to your Pinot consumption. Before we get into that, right, I'd love it would mean a lot to me if you subscribed to this, to the channel. Just hit that little button below. We'll get we'll get better conversations going in the comments, and we'll reach a broader audience, and it would mean a lot to me. I think I might have said that already. On to the Pinots. So there are, I think, about 12 or 15 that I'm going to name. The majority are positive experiences, but there are some real clunkers in there as well. So positive experiences, $25 and under Pinot Noir. Deloach, La Crema, McMurray, Erath, A to Z, Elouan, Hess Select, Sean Minor, The Pinot Project, Angeline, and Bogle. Now, in general, the wines from Bogle, they're so reasonably priced, and they're generally pretty good. I don't know how they do it, but they're always very reliable. My wife and I got stranded in the Atlanta airport. We got stranded in Atlanta, so we were in the airport Marriott overnight. Thanks Delta for putting us up when you screwed up. And as part of that, there was the Erath wine was available by the bottle, so I had a couple of glasses of that, perfectly serviceable, a good value at $12 a glass. So it's, again, one of those. That's how I think of the Pinot Noir category. If there's, we're at $25 and under, so a lot to choose from there. Wines that I would recommend you avoid $25 and under Pinot Noir. J Vineyards. We had it at the Generous Pour, very ordinary, kind of thin, nothing worth your dollars. Mark West. I've had a few versions of the Mark West Pinots, and I'm not connecting with any of them. Again, they come across really, really thin and watery to me. Meiomi Pinot Noir. It just tastes like fake wine. Same could be said for their Cabernet. Obviously not getting any Meiomi endorsements from this video, but something I can't drink. Joel Gott, again, same concepts, same descriptions apply, and Josh Cellars. Most of the Josh Cellars wines that I've had have been less than enjoyable, shall we say, and the Pinot Noir was no different. So I am hoping that this video gives you some value in terms of your Pinot Noir selections, right? It's an input, Hey, tell me in the comments that you love Meiomi Pinot Noir and I'm crazy, or you love any of the ones that I don't like. Tell me what your favorites are in the comments. Let's get a conversation going around this, so maybe I can find some more Pinots that I would like to drink. I hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Cheers.